You going up? Up. No, don't do that. Going down. Down. Climb. There. Yay. Climb. Whee. Oh. Is it hard work? TV. Yeah, TV. Oh, what are you sitting in? Your chair? Don't jump. Be careful. Wubby. You love Wubby. Up, up. There you go. Sit down. Climb, climb, climb. What? What'd you find? Okay, thank you. All gone. Trash. Thank you. What? What? I don't have it. It was trash. Fell out of your chair, I guess. It's all gone. Go play. Go climb. Climb. Is that fun? Uh-oh. What? 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 I don't have anything, honey. It's all gone. Yeah, you didn't really give me anything. Here it is. There's my fingers. Here it is. Wubby. You gonna do this all night? Oh! I don't think you better try to climb over the edge. Whee! Whee! You get it? I don't have anything in my hand. You've done look 3 times. I got nada. That's just my fingers. Can I have a kiss? No? Okay.